This just came from the Great White North. So it's Friday. Or lied, sorry. It's that's even worse. It's Thursday. It's Thursday. And I don't even know what I filmed, but recap a bunch of stuff. We got the radiator cap. We got the cover, the headlights. We have a serpentine belt that we need to put on. We're gonna do that now. New hose for the power steering piece right here. New O-ring, and by new on these I mean junkyard parts. We fixed the harness on the inside, the stereo. We spliced that right there. We have ripped out all of the door mechanism to figure out the lock situation, figure out what was binding up on the driver's side here. Turns out it was the tumbler. So all the tumblers are out right now. They are sitting right there, and those are all going to go to the locksmith and get rekeyed probably tomorrow while I'm at work. Put a new window regulator in this door, and we just picked up a new lock actuator so we can actually lock and unlock the car with electric locks. What, driving, I guess? I don't know. I don't know exactly what the point of that was, but yeah, it's a thing. So, yeah, I suppose if I got a remote, I could actually like lock and unlock the car. But we'll see what we can do with Amazon on that one, because it's like a $10 part, whatever. Not a critical thing right now. Just need to be able to run it, drive it, shut the doors for the time being. Got to tie down the battery too, and we got to fix this tie rod end. I don't know what I filmed. All this has just been a blitz of getting the car ready. We're gonna get it done tonight, so should be able to drive this thing, get it emission tomorrow, theoretically. So we'll get a TRP for it. There's no hood, no front bumper, but hopefully Saturday we'll have that addressed. But tonight is about the parts and or car meet, depending on what Marcus wants to do. So get to work. So right now the alternator's out. That's because it was getting all smoky on us. If you look in here, there's a bunch of grease and gunk and whatever. My bet is that this has just been in the elements for so long. It's just done. I mean, it doesn't help that it has grease and stuff on that side, but I've never seen a dirty alternator cause this, that kind of thing. But as opposed to sitting here cleaning it out and trying to see if it's the windings and putting it back in and trying it again kind of thing, I'm just going to get rid of it. I'm just going to go ahead and put a new one in and call it a night. So we're going to end this one. Hopefully in the next one we'll get this thing totally patched up and emissioned, registered, all that junk. But that's really realistically going to take place in like the next 2 days. So I'm going to go upstairs, I'm going to get an edit in and be done with this. So Till next one, take it easy. We'll see you guys later.
I'm a true champion.